In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field to your forms on Jotform. Whether for consent, contracts, or any other document requiring a signature, Jotform makes it easy to gather these legally binding signatures digitally. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses, educators, event organizers, and more, allowing you to streamline your workflow and go paperless smoothly. Let's dive into the process. To start, navigate to Jotform's website. This online form builder and form creator is a powerful tool that offers a wide range of functionalities, including the ability to gather electronic signatures easily. Once you arrive at Jotform's homepage, the next step is to access your account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account or log in. You can do this by clicking the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. For those of you integrating multiple platforms, Jotform offers a convenient feature allowing you to log in using Google or other connected platforms, ensuring a seamless transition into your workspace. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard. Here under My Forms, you'll find all your created forms. If you're new to Jotform, don't worry, you can easily start a new form from scratch or use one of many templates available. However, for this tutorial, we'll focus on adding a signature to an existing form. Locate the form you wish to edit and click on Edit Form. This will take you to the Form Builder interface, a feature-rich environment where you can customize your form to your heart's content. In the Form Builder, you'll notice a panel on the left side with various elements you can add to your form. Our focus is on the Add Element button. By clicking this, you open up a world of form elements including text fields, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and more. For our specific task, you'll want to locate the Signature element. You may find this under the Basic tab, nestled among other fundamental form components. Once you spot the signature element, it's as simple as clicking and dragging it onto your form. As you incorporate the signature field into your form, think about its placement and the flow of your document. A signature often comes at the end of a form, following any terms, conditions, or consent information that needs to be acknowledged. Dragging the element to the desired position on your form is effortless with Jotform's intuitive interface. You can adjust its location to ensure a logical sequence for your respondents. Upon adding the signature field, you might wonder about its appearance and functionality. Jotform's signature element is designed to be straightforward for both form creators and end users. It provides a clear area where respondents can use a mouse, touchpad, or touchscreen to sign their name. The process mirrors signing a physical document, but with all the convenience of digital technology. It's worth noting that these signatures are legally binding, making them valid for contracts, consents, and other official documents. With the signature field now part of your form, the final step is saving your work. Jotform automatically saves changes as you edit, but it's good practice to review your form once more before finalizing it. Ensure that the signature box aligns with your form's requirements and that instructions or context preceding the signature are clear. Lastly, it's crucial to test your form. Try filling it out yourself to see how the signature process works from a user's perspective. This step not only gives you confidence in your form's functionality, but also gives you a chance to iron out any potential hiccups before your form goes live. Adding a signature field to your Jotform form is a simple yet impactful way to gather necessary acknowledgements, consents, or contracts without the hassle of paper documents. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and offers a seamless experience for both form creators and users. With this tutorial, you're well on your way to leveraging Jotform's signature element to its full potential. Remember, the key to a successful digital form is not just in its creation, but also in its implementation. Ensure your forms are accessible, easy to understand, and provide a smooth user experience from start to finish. Whether for gathering feedback, event registrations, or securing agreements, adding a signature to your Jotform forms enhances their functionality and validity. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Happy form building!